how's it going today? I am so excited to be doing this video today. I have had so many requests on how to trim your hair at home, and of course it's different for every hair type, but now that we don't know when Spokane or Washington State salons will be open, and California, wherever you are, we don't know when all these salons are going to be open. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to trim long, fine hair. It's so easy, and again, this is just to get you through quarantine. It's not going to have a super crazy style. It's just going to make you feel like you have some clean ends and you can feel good about yourself until you can get into the salon. So since we are in quarantine, I am legitimately running out of clients for videos. So what did I do? I purchased a doll head on Amazon. Oh my gosh, I have not played with the doll head's hair in so long. A couple classes, of course, but it's always gonna take me back to cosmetology school. This is a perfect example of how to cut hair just like this. So see, it's pretty thick. We're gonna call her Jenny. I don't know why every doll head I've ever had in my life, we've always named her Jenny, so her name is Jenny. And it's thick, but see, look at these scraggly ends, right? This is how she came. I haven't touched her hair, and this is probably how some of your hair feels right now. And see, this can be a really simple cut, and I'm gonna help you figure that out, but this is the kind of hair type, this is the hair type that I am going to help you figure out today. So the biggest thing first is to part your hair, because you really want to section the hair so that you have control over the hair. Even if you're only going to cut a little bit, you can still make kind of a bad mistake that you might really regret. So follow along, section the hair, and here we go. Okay, so the first two sections are going to be in the front. And you can go with your natural part. So if you part your hair in the middle, great, leave it there. If you part on the right or the left, just leave it where you normally part it. Go ahead and place a comb on your head, on your client's head, where your part is. And you'll see that where the comb, sorry, this doll head's going nuts. Where the comb starts to lift up, that is where the crown of your head is, and that's going to be your starting point for the rest of the section. So you're going to go from the natural part and go down from where your finger was, go down to behind the ears. And you're gonna do that on both sides. Now we have to section the back of the hair, and in that section we just separate it into 3 parts, okay? And so I go from the top of the ear to the top of the ear and try to create a nice straight line. So it's top to the ear, top of the ear. And then I go down about 2 more inches, which leads me to pretty much the bottom of the ear to the bottom of the other ear. So, and make a straight line. Now, one thing I find that is helpful with Jenny's hair, because she's not a real person, is using like one of my highlighting combs that has a longer end like that to part the hair. So if you have like a rat tail comb or something like that, this can help, because otherwise, sometimes regular combs, it can be hard to part. But just do your best. It's okay if it's not totally straight, but just try to make it as straight as possible. So then it's super easy, okay guys? We're just going to I like to have my client look down just a little bit, like halfway, have her chin go halfway to her chest. So then that way we add a little bit of texture and it's kind of more foolproof. So I'm gonna have her look down just about halfway down to her chest, pull all that hair in the bottom section together, hold it down, don't do it tight, just nice and loose, pull it towards the middle and cut, okay? Literally gather it together and cut. And then you're going to bring down the second layer, or the second section, and you're going to pull it down, and then you're going to cut. And if she keeps her head still, you'll be able to see exactly what needs to be cut. Okay, so then you just pull the third section down and you just cut. And you can see the guide. You can see what you have previously cut. You can see what hair is longer than the hair that you had already cut. So that makes it so easy. Last step is we have to marry the front sections and the back sections together. So I have my clients look straight at me, and if I want to cut one side, I have them look the opposite direction. What this does is if I'm your client and I'm looking straight at you and I look aside, all my hair falls down and it gets the shoulder out of the way so you won't end up with any holes in your haircut. So she's looking off to this side, I'm combing it down. I have my guide from the back of the hair just falling straight, and then I just connect and cut what I want. Now, your safest bet is to direct the hair a little bit towards your shoulder and not so much towards your face. So if you pull it back just a little bit and then connect like that, that's great. It'll be a little bit longer in the front, just a smidge, and if you need to cut it, you can. But if you pull it forward, you might end up with some funky layer in the front that you weren't hoping for. Okay, so you can always have a little bit more of a grace period, or I don't know what the word, it's a little bit more forgiving if you pull it back and then cut. So I'm not sure if you can see that. So anyways, I cut that side, and now on this side I will unclip it. I will comb it down. I can see my guide. I'm gonna pull her hair just a little bit back away from the face and then cut. And then if you want, you can look at your client, comb all the hair forward, and if you have any little loose hairs that need to be cut, go for it. Okay, again, this is just to help get you through quarantine and allow you to have some healthy hair, healthy ends until you can get in the salon. So I hope that this video helped. Go ahead and press the subscribe button. Also press that notification bell so then whenever we do videos like this, you'll be notified. And otherwise, I hope this brought value to you, and I will see you next time.